Hit it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens, and thank you, Heavenly Father, for another wonderful and awesome day. Okay, y'all, so today I'm coming to you all with another Crafty Vision segment. Today I'm going to show y'all how to make a adjustable ring using this gemstone here. This is from one of the bargain bead box, and this is called the Pink Quartz. Okay, so I'm going to be using the 10 millimeter gemstone bead from the bargain bead box 10 called Pink Quartz. Okay, so you're going to need one of those. You're going to need a ruler. You're going to need some 14 gauge copper wire, and this wire is 12 inches long. You're going to need a dowel or a ring manual, okay? Once you get it all together, once it's completed, you're going to need something to wrap your ring to shape it, okay? This dowel right here I bought from, I'm using this from the paint sponges that I get from the Dollar Tree. So that's where you can find this, okay? And this is about a 12 millimeter size, because this is 10 millimeter, and we're going to be using this to make the shape to put that bead in, okay? You're going to need another piece of copper wire, and I'm sorry if I didn't mention that this is 14 gauge copper wire. This is 20 gauge copper wire, and this piece here is 5 inches. Round nose pliers, your wire cutter, and your bead, okay? Now, if you don't necessarily have any of these materials, you can still make the ring, all right? The design that I'm going to show you, you can still create with any wire that you choose, okay? This ring you can give as a birthday gift. You can give this ring as a number of things: birthdays, anniversaries, graduations, like literally any type of special occasion. You can make one of these rings and people will love it, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. So the very first thing that we want to do is, I've already cut out my wire. We're going to take our small dowel and mold our shape on our wire. So you're going to come here and you're just going to mold this, because we want a perfect circle, okay? So we have a perfect circle here. All right, perfect circle. That's what you're gonna have. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to just take and come here and make a loop right here on my wire. All right, I got a little loop there. Now, you don't necessarily have to do that. It's completely up to you, but this is how I'm making this ring, okay? All right, so we want it to be nice and flat. So now what we're going to do next, okay, is we're going to go ahead and start making the band of the ring, okay? So you can make the band of the ring as small as you want or as thick as you want. So I am going to come here and take my ruler, and I'm going to measure about 1/2 of an inch, okay? So my 1/2 of an inch comes about right here, and I'm just going to make a loop just like that and pinch it over, okay? All right, hope you all can see that. I'm going to come back over on this side, and I'm going to do pretty much the same thing. Pinch it over just like that. All right, so this is the start of your ring. And basically what I'm going to do is you want to measure, you want to do this right here until you get about 2 to 2.5 inches on your ring. Okay, now I recently showed y'all how to make another ring, and basically if you want all of these to be the same size, all you do is you come over, you come up just a tad bit of where you made the last loop, and you just pinch it over like this. And that's going to have everything pretty much the same size. So basically, this is going to be the second part. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and make my loops. My loops, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so as you can see, this is what my band is turning into. Okay, and basically what I did was I wanted them to be a little smaller, so I took lesser wire to make them smaller. Okay, so we're gonna come over here and see how long this is. With our ruler, we're gonna measure. Yep, and we are at 2.5 inches. So basically, this is 2. That's the 1/2 inch right there. And we are already there. So what you want to do now is you want to just come up. Let's see. You want to measure it this way, and you want to snip off about 1/2 inch. Okay, so we're going to snip off. Okay, this is going to be about 1/2 inch. What you want to do now is you want to take your round nose pliers, and you just want to come and make a loop, just like that. All right, nice and simple. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this wire right here. Okay, this is the 20 gauge. That's about 5.5 inches. And we're going to start wrapping. We want to put on our gemstone, which is this one. Okay, so you can do this any way that you see fit. I'm going to start over here. So I'm going to take my piece. I'm going to turn it towards me. I'm going to take my piece through from the back, or up through from the back to the front, and bring this over like this. And I'm going to just wrap this a couple of times. As I'm wrapping it, I'm going to pull it as tight as I can. You want your coils to kind of sort of be close together. You can do this, you can wrap this once or twice or 3 times, as many times as you see fit. Okay, so this is what you're going to have. Now I'm going to cut this piece right here. That means I've wrapped this pretty much 3 times. Okay, so what you want to do now is you want to come here and you want to snip this piece off. So you're going to take your pliers, and you want that piece to be, the piece that you snip, you want it to be coming through the top of your ring. Okay, let's bring this out. And then you're just going to take your pliers, your round nose pliers, your flat pliers, your flat pliers, I'm going to say, and you're just going to squeeze that down. Because what you're going to do next, and this is going to move a little bit, but what you're going to do next is you're going to take and add on your bead, okay? So let's slide this on. Bring it all the way down, and it fits perfectly, okay? It fits perfectly. So now what you want to do is you want to take your wire, And you just want to take it through here. Pull it all the way. Try to make it, okay. And let's just pull it. And you gotta be careful, because see, I have to be careful whenever I'm using pliers, because I'll pull it so hard that it'll break. So I'm gonna take it through one more time. That's why I always use my fingers for everything, y'all. Okay. Okay. All right, so right now I've wrapped it twice. I'm gonna take it through one more time. Okay, just like this. Pull it through. All right, and there you have it. Okay, and then all you do is you come here and you want to snip that just like that, and come here and squeeze that down like that. And here you have your perfect ring. Okay, and this is adjustable. And you, like I said in the beginning, you can wear this ring. I mean, you can give this ring to for many different occasions. People love stuff like this because this is something that will last a lifetime. Okay, copper wire is one of those metals, just like sterling silver, that it will last a lifetime. Okay, now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take my dowel, and could y'all please make sure that you give this video a thumbs up so that this video can go into rotation. I would greatly appreciate it. Now I'm going to take my nail. Like I said, you can use your dowel or your awl. I mean your awl. Where did I get that from? Your dowel or your ring manual, and to make your shape. So I'm just going to use this right here to make my shape. Okay. Okay, now with an adjustable ring, you want it to, and I'm coming here because I'm going to do the rest with my fingers. With an adjustable ring, you want to make sure that, pinch this. Okay, you can pinch that over so it can lay flat down on the wire. Okay, and here is your ring, y'all. Nice band, not too big, not too small. You can make these men, even men can wear this ring. Okay, you would just, with a man's ring, you want to make the band a little thicker, so you can make the band thicker when it comes to you making it for a man. But look at this, and you can wear it on any, if you wanted to wear it on the pinky, you could. You would just have to squeeze it in. Okay, you could wear it on your pinky, or I believe the way that I've cut this, you can wear it on any one of your fingers, and you can even wear it on your thumb. Okay, okay, that's comfortable. Y'all gonna have to excuse my hands. Even on this finger, it's comfortable. And when it's adjustable, by it being adjustable, that means you can come and squeeze it in to make it bigger, smaller, however you want it to be. You can also wear it like this on the side. If you wanted to wear that on the side to give your finger a different look for the day. You can make these in multiple colors. Okay? So, with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank y'all so very much for joining me for these Crafty Vision videos. And until my next upload, my beloved kings and queens, peace and blessings, everyone. Y'all have a wonderful and awesome day. See ya.